Webgility Online allows you to choose whether or not you want to post your orders and accounting individually as sales receipts or consolidated as journal entries. Journal entries are the easiest way to get a large amount of data posted to accounting accurately. Typically, you would record transactions as journal entries directly in QuickBooks Online, with your debits and credits reflecting the amounts charged or paid, and then balance your individual accounts to reflect what was recorded in the journal. With Webgility, you can not only take your online order information and post it as a journal entry, you can route everything through your accounts in QuickBooks Online to make recording and balancing even easier. To turn on journal entry posting in Webgility Online, navigate to Settings, Accounting, Posting Method, and then select Summary as a journal entry and save. This should change the headers in the accounting section significantly for you, as you're no longer editing things like transaction details and information. And instead you'll be met with a tab to select your account routing for a number of options in QuickBooks Online, along with payment processor settings. You can select your individual income, expense, or cost of goods sold accounts in each dropdown to route transactional data exactly where you want it in QuickBooks Online. Webgility will detect and combine all charges, refunds, expenses, and income depending on how the data is entered at the store. If you don't see the account you're looking for in the dropdowns, be sure it's set up correctly as either income, expense, or COGS and hit refresh. You can also create accounts directly from within Webgility by clicking the button next to the dropdown for each account type. Once you're ready to go and happy with your routing, hit save. You'll then be taken to the Payment Processor tab, allowing you to decide where payment debits and expenses will be routed to. In the event that you have multiple payment processors that work with your store, like PayPal and Authorize.net, you may want to make sure the revenue and, more importantly, order fees and expenses are routed to their own respective accounts. You can set up clearing or holding accounts for deposits to keep it separate from any other income, and then expense accounts for each individual processor, or route them to the same expense account to keep it simple. Add additional processors if you don't see yours listed here, and if you don't have a payment processor connected, set the default to route wherever you'd like. Lastly, you can enable Product Cost Sync under the Product COGS tab. Just select the inventory asset and cost of goods sold accounts, and Webgility will post a summary of your COGS based on the cost of goods sold data that's imported from the store. For more information on the process of setting up journal entries, click the help link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more on all things e-commerce.